Give me 2 minutes and I'll tell you why you should renew your car insurance with us at Vince. So why do thousands of clients renew their car insurance or even apply for new policies with us here at Vince? Well, I sincerely believe that it is because we are one of the best, if not the best motor insurer you can find. Why do I dare to make such claim? Well, it's really because of our reputation built over for more than 30 years of being one of the most experienced and most trusted workshops here in Singapore. During this time, we have dealt with over 12,000 cases of insurance claims and accident repairs. But more than this is our relationship with insurance companies. You see, insurers have a strict criteria in selecting who to appoint as their authorized workshops, and we are very honored to be trusted and chosen by at least 10 of these insurance companies in Singapore. This is by no means a simple feat to achieve because only the most reputable workshops that won't play a fool in their repairs, have a distinguished track records, and are backed by hundreds of 5-star reviews will get the insurer's pick. Speaking of 5-star reviews, just take a look at what our clients say about us on Google, Facebook, and platforms like SGcarmart. There's no way we can fake these public reviews back with photos and even videos. As if it's not enough, another reason why thousands of Continental cars owners opt for us to be their servicing and repair workshop is because our capabilities to tend to Continental car brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Volkswagen, and many more. And if you drive a hybrid vehicle, know that we also have more than a decade of experience working with your vehicles too. In fact, we are in the process of looking into repairing EVs in the near future as well, so that EV owners can opt to insure with us too. So what do you need to have us as your trusted workshop? Simply choose to insure with any of the insurers which have listed us as their authorized workshops. Don't know who to choose from? Don't worry, let our insurance consultants advise you based on your needs. Be it that you want the lowest premium, the most comprehensive coverage, or you have some complications due to prior history. Let us search for the most optimal insurance company for you. And I'm not done. All our motor insurance clients who buy or renew their policy through us gets one free servicing for their cars. That's worth up to $150, which covers labors and some parts and oils. So what's your loss? Just give us a try. First, you'll get up to 10 insurance quotes for your own choosing. Second, you can ask us for any advice on your customizing on your insurance. And third, there's no obligations. What it means is that if you still want to go for a different quote elsewhere, you can still do so. So insure with Vince and experience why tens of thousands of clients have done so. Just send us a message for us to get back to you soonest. My name is Wellen and I look forward to speaking with you soon.